Vhuṱambo hovho khavhisiwa nga maṱeleṱele. Masipala wa Polokwane una mivhundu ya ḓana fuina na zwikolo bulasi zwivhili zwihulwane. Fhedzi vhunzhi ha vhathu vha kusiwa vha tshi ya Polokwane nga u shaya mishumo mahayani. Izwi sia u tshi vha na vhupo ha mishasha na mitumba.
We are quite aware that part of the problem in Polokwane remains that of mushrooming of unplanned and uncontrolled settlement, primarily in rural areas and privately owned farms, which create a serious problem in terms of ensuring that services and infrastructure is being provided. There are major programs that we are going to drive in order to grow our economy. We will investigate any wrongdoing. And if there are those that believe that they will continue with what they have been doing, we have made them aware that all those wrong things that has been associated with the brand Polokwane, such a remarkable city, all those bad things, we will be at the forefront of fighting against and eliminating within our system.
I think it's a very positive speech if all the plans come to part, and it will be a good city to be in. I was part of the strategic planning as well before this happened. So I know what's going to happen and what is on the table. We need to educate the people to pay their taxes, their rates and taxes, so that this can really happen.
We are very happy because he did talk about the insourcing of graveling, and it's our pillar of insourcing. But as EFF, we also expecting him to come with the new plan of billing system from the villages, because they gain the services from the revenue.
Zoraro bombe vari Masipala wa Polokwane utotochiwa metro usikare. Nedorobo, SABC News, Polokwane.